Look at what I got. The ROG Phone 8, brand new, just came out minutes ago from ASUS. It's a smartphone designed for gamers. And I've got it in my hand so we can check it out. Tech it before you wreck it. What's up, geeks? I'm Kirk, and this thing looks cool. I haven't even opened up the box yet. It's the brand new ASUS ROG Phone 8, a smartphone specifically designed for people who want to game on the go. If you've seen the previous ROG phones, you know what this one's all about, but this one looks like the best one yet. So let's take it to the table and get this thing unboxed.
There it is. Check it out. This is from ASUS, the ROG Phone 8. Look at this box. And I gotta be honest, first and foremost, I don't know if this is gonna be retail packaging or not. This is simply what they're sending out to reviewers and media right now, but it sure is cool. And I hope they use this for retail, because what a cool experience, especially for gamers who are looking for something a little bit different than maybe the normal phone consumer. For those who dare, check that out, join the Republic. Very cool, nice job. You've got the Republic of Gamers logo on the side of the box there. It's like a little, I don't know what kind of shape you call that thing. If you know what kind of shape that is, throw that down in the comments. You're smarter than I am. Look at on the bottom here. It's got basic specs here. Not even specs, but just a little breakdown. ROG Phone 8, ASUS phone, mobile phone. Supports GSM, UMTS, LTE, 5G. Just the normal channels that it supports there. It's got some foreign writing there as well. Some barcodes. It's got a little QR code there. Zen Talk Fans Forum to get you to the forums for fans. But without further ado, let's open this Mamma Jamba up, right? I got it upside down. Let me flip it up. So pull, see the tab? Did I show you that tab there? Pull down. Isn't that cool? So you pull down like that. Wow, there it is. Look at that. Very, very cool. So what do we got here? Well, it looks like we've got something on the left here, and then the phone right there. That's the actual ROG Phone 8 right there. It's got some plastic around it. And then over here, ROG server. I'm gonna guess, let's see if we can't open this guy up. Here we go. What do we got in here? It looks like some sort of case of some sort. Cool, we'll check that out. What do we got here? Also looks like some sort of phone holder. Oh man, goodies. I love goodies. I love goodies. I get so excited when phone companies include more than just the usual cable on the inside. Here's a ROG phone charger cube, excuse me. And then here's our cable. Here's our normal cable, right? Like just a USB-C normal charging cable. And I think that's it in the little goodie section. I'm gonna call this the goodie side of the packaging. So we'll get to all of that in just a second. But let's see what we got here. The phone itself. Got a little tab. Should probably pull the tab, right? I didn't see that, but there's the phone. We'll set that down and check that out in a second for you. And I think that might be it in terms of what's actually inside the package. All right, so that is it. That's all that's inside here. Now, this, again, might not be full retail packaging. You might actually get an instruction manual, some legal documentation in there. But right now, as we see it now, unless there's something down there, I can't tell. Is that like a drawer? You know what? We might be in for a little surprise. Check that out! A little drawer surprise. That was kind of cool. But I don't expect much more than there's our, what is going on here? Oh, it's a case. It's a little like shell case. Man alive. I'm having fun here. This is cool. So that was like that little surprise drawer. What is this? Some sort of fun house going on here? This is really cool. I think that's it. I think we've got everything, right? Yeah, I think we got everything. If I find anything else inside this box, I'll let you know. But for now, I'm going to move this box out of the way. All right, where do we go first? So we've got the phone itself. We've got this some sort of shell case thing. We've got what seems like it might be a phone like foam case. I don't know what this is, so we're going to check that out. We've got our cable and our charging brick. So let's just go through what we know first. This is a normal USB-C charging brick. Nothing super fancy there, but let's see if we can check out some wattage, because you know we love a good fast charger, don't we? And it looks like that's what we have here. If you can read that, it looks like we've got some various different levels of wattage we can put out, up to 60 watts output. So this is obviously a pretty fast charger. We'll have to test that for ourselves and see how that works. Then we've got a pretty normal USB-C cable here. It's a nice high quality kind of braided side to there, which is nice. USB-C on one end, USB-C on the other end. That goes with the charging cube. Let's move those off to the side. All right, now on to the rest of the stuff here. Let's start with this. What does it say here? Dare to play for those who dare. It doesn't tell me what's in here. Just God luck, have fun. Oh, good luck, God luck. Good luck, have fun. It's kind of cool there. What's on the back here? It's just got a little barcode. So let's see. This is not coming open as easily as I thought it would, but let's rip it open, find out what's inside. This is some sort of case. Oh, you know what? I bet you this goes with whatever this is. So let's check this out. Let's see what exactly we got here. ROG, what does it say there? So it says the same thing on here. Good luck, have fun. This might be for heat purposes, maybe? Like a heat sink to put on the back of the phone. That might be what we're dealing with here. That's what this looks like this is. A thermal fan to put on the phone. So we've seen this, I think, with other ROG phones. And you peel this off, apply that to the back. This clamps onto the phone. And it even has a little charging port on there. I'm not sure. That looks like a headphone jack of some sort. I don't know exactly what that is. Maybe that's a different power port. So we'll have to play around with that and see exactly how that works. But this is a case. I get it now. Everything's coming together. Oh, that even has a little USB-C thing there. Okay, so maybe it transfers, gives you a headphone jack. Then you plug that into the USB on the phone, right? And then the USB plugs in there so you can charge it. And then this is a little pouch for that. I get it. And then this is probably, let's open it up, but I'm guessing this is like a little case thing that allows you to use that heatsink and a fan deal on the actual phone. That's probably what this is to make it compatible with that, because my guess is this latches right there. We will check that out in just a second. Let's get to the phone itself, and here it is. I know you guys have been waiting for this. Maybe you skipped ahead to this. That's fine too. Check it out. The ROG Phone 8. Nice piece of kit here, don't you think? Republic of Gamers in the corner here. It's got a very cool matte finish with some nice shiny details. Established 2006. GLHF. Oh, that's the USB port, the USB-C port that's designed for this. Now it's all making sense. Dare to win. That's cool. Then you've got another USB-C port on the bottom here. Your SIM card slot. Looks like a headphone jack there. Imagine that, a phone in 2024 with a headphone jack. You've got your power switch, your volume up, your volume down. And look at that. All these little details. All these little details are very cool. Let me try and get that in the light so you can see ROG right there on the side. Nice job. Very cool. And what else we got going on here? We've got a couple of cameras here. You can see a flash right there. Again, ROG detail. Detail is very, very cool and very important here. Now I'm going to power this sucker on. I'm not sure if it's even charged up at this point, but I'll see if I can press the power button, see if we can get some power to it, and there it goes. So I'm going to do an initial hands-on video. Let me pop that up on the screen right now, in fact, so you can see that. Jump over to that. That's where we're going to actually test this out, put this all together, see what this looks like when it's actually on. Hey, look, it's powered up. So if you want to see more, jump over to that next video. I'm going to hook up the heatsink, the case, and give you my first impressions of the ROG Phone 8. Thanks for hanging with us. Subscribe as always. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk.